many might call a recreational math problem. Now, by the reverse of 52, I of course mean 25, okay? So we're asking what system of numeration, that means what base? This is understood to be base 10, but what system of numeration permits the reverse of 52 to be a divisor of 52? Okay, now if you just look at base 10, okay, 52 certainly does not equal, that's a not equals, a negated relation, 2 times 25. Let me put a dot here, 2.25. All right, that's obvious. All right, 2 times 25 is 50, right? So what we're trying to do is search for a base where this might happen. We don't know a priori that it does. Now, another way of putting this is asking for what base B, and we see it doesn't work for base 10. We're looking for another base. Is this quotient actually a natural number? Okay, so a natural number is just being a positive integer. This is the same as z plus. All right, now what we can do here, you can, I don't know if there's a quote a canned way of doing this or more formal way of doing it, but we can literally just look at some cases here. For example, if you do b equals 6, and I'm just, again, this is trial and error. I already tried some of the lower cases, they didn't work out. But if the base is equal to 6, let's check out, let's see what we get. That would be 5 times 6, that would imply 32 divided by, what do we got? 32, 2 times 6 is 12, 32 divided by 17, right? So that's not a member of the natural numbers, right? There's a remainder of 15, right? So it's not a member of the natural numbers. Okay, so we tried base 6. Now, y'all, I tried them all. Now, the one that ends up working out, let me show you. B equals to 8. Okay, if we choose the base equal to 8, and again, I had no idea. I just had to go through and check. B equals 8 is going to lead to, if you put an 8 right here, you'll have 42. And if you put an 8 right here, you'll get 16 plus 5 is 21. And I just did that while I was working out on the strider. It's kind of neat to see this happen. So this is equal to 2. All right? And so we know that base 8 is going to work. So that more or less finishes off the problem, but a curious mind might want to really see a little bit more here. 52 base 8 is equal to 25. And this is another approach right here. And this right here forces B to be 2, right? Little b to be 2. Now, that's a little confusing. Well, not really. Yeah, but little b, not big B, okay? And then, and so right down here, you can verify that 52 base 8 is equal to 25 base 8 times 2. Now, again, for the non-trusting souls, you may want to go back to terra firma, which is base 10. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 2 is 42. So this is in base 10. If I leave out, I'll just go ahead and put it for emphasis. 42 base 10 is equal to, now 2 times 8 is 16 plus 5 is 21. That is 42, right? So this verifies what's going on. Again, 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. 2 times 21 is 42. And so this confirms it. This confirms it in base 10, which a lot of people do. It's kind of hard to trust it sometimes, but it turns out the answer, of course, is B equals 8. Okay. When B is equal to 8, that gets the job done, and 52 has a divisor that's equal to its reverse. So for B equals 8, this condition does occur. Okay, hope you guys enjoy.